Days of the week in German. Montag, Monday. Montag, Monday. Dienstag, Tuesday. Dienstag, Tuesday. Mittwoch, Wednesday. Mittwoch, Wednesday. Donnerstag, Thursday. Donnerstag, Thursday. Freitag, Friday. Freitag, Friday. Samstag, Saturday. Samstag, Saturday. Sonntag, Sunday. Sonntag, Sunday. Months of the year in German. Januar, January. Januar, January. Februar, February. Februar, February. Mars, March. March, March. April, April. April, April. May, May. June, June. June. July. July. August, August. September, October, October. November, December. Seasons of the year in German. Frühling, spring. Frühling, spring. Sommer, summer. Herbst, autumn. Winter. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe it.